welcome to Agriculture Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss cultivation practices of pale millet, nothing but bajra. Botanical name of bajra is nothing but Penicetum glaucum. Common name pale millet, family Graminae. In Tamil Kumbu. In Telugu it is called as Sajjalu. As per as botanical description, origin came from the Africa. Economic importance, pale millet is a stable food crop. About 100 million people in rural areas of India and sub-Saharan Africa. Roti or chapati, which is are unleavened flat breads prepared using pale millet flour, are common in Asia. Porridges and cooked grains are also used. In North India, it is prepared during winter, while wheat becomes common in summer diet. It is also used for fried preparations, food such as fermented products and beer. Varieties of pancakes are prepared using pale millet flour in Africa. Pale millet beer is throughout in Africa. Pura or cheese is the traditional African snacks prepared using steamed pale millet flour and cream. It is used as fodder in Africa and Asia. Bajra has oxalic content is very high, so it is not released by cattle. In Central America, it is mainly cultivated for forage purpose. It is also grown as pasture grass in Central America. Bajra rich in protein, vitamins, and fiber, fat, carbohydrates. Proteins 12.6%, fiber 1.2%, fat 5%, carbohydrates 60 to 70. Bajra area production productivity largely grown in India. It is an important pearl millet producing countries are India, Africa, Pakistan, China, Sudan, Egypt. In India, bajra is cultivated in area of 10 million hectares with the production and 7.9 million tons and productivity 791 kgs per hectare. Area under cultivation is highest in Rajasthan, followed by Maharashtra, followed by Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. In Tamil Nadu, it is cultivated in the area of 2.31 hectares with the production of 2.51 tons and productivity is 1226 kgs per hectare. Nilgiri is the highest production area in Tamil Nadu, then in Rajasthan, followed by Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, and Uttar Pradesh. In Tamil Nadu, it is grown in all districts except Kanchipuram, Tiruvallur, and Nilgiris. Areas production productivity in different states is Maharashtra, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, and India. These are the areas producing bajra. Varieties Andhra Pradesh GHB 558, ICMH 356, KG 1004. Varieties are Anand JS ICMB 221. Like this, several states have several varieties. A soil type, it is grown in wide range of soils, but being sensitive to water logging, it grows well in drained sandy loams. It is sensitive to acidic soil. It is grown successfully in black cotton soils, alluvium soils, and red soils of India. Climatic requirement, it is a rapid growing warm weather crop as resistant for drought. The best temperature between 20 to 28 degrees centigrade is the best climatic requirement for the bajra. Germination 23 to 32 degrees Celsius is required. It can withstand even desiccation. Bajra crop is highly suitable for the areas having rainfall ranges from 400 to 750 mm. There are four stages: seedling stage, tillering stage, flowering stage, maturity stage. 1 to 18 days are the growth stages. Tillering stage 19 to 35 days. Flowering stage 36 to 55 days. Maturity stage 56 to 85 days. Sowing time of bajra in India in mainly three seasons: Kharif, winter, summer. Kharif June, October rainfed. Winter November, February rainfed. Summer March, June. During summer, it is grown in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Punjab, and Gujarat as an irrigated crop. Sowing of Kharif pearl millet should be done with the onset of monsoon, first fortnight of July in north and central parts of the country. Summer pearl millet should be sown first week of January to first week of February to obtain higher production of summer pearl millet. First fortnight of October is appropriate time for Rabi season. Field preparation, timely sowing, which ensures higher yield, provide favorable conditions for sowing, allowing germination, emergence, and good plant development. Maintenance of fertility and productivity. Summer plowing, good seed bed preparation is essential for the successful establishment of the crop. Losing the soil, deep plowing with iron plow and country plow is done to be twice to bring the tilth. If there is a hard pan, chisel plow is done. Apply about 12.5 tons per hectare of farm yard manure or compost during last plowing. Application of azospirillum to the soil should be done at the rate of 10 packets, nothing but 2 kgs. Leveling the soil is important for the field preparation. Seed treatment with biopesticides like Trichoderma araceanum at the rate 4 kgs and Thyram 75% dust at the rate 3 grams kg seed, which help against soil-borne diseases. Seed treatment with 300 mesh powder, sulfur powder at the rate 4 kgs seed controls the smut disease. For removing ergot affected seeds, they are soaked in 10% salt solution, 1 kg of NaCl in 10 liters of water. Seeds are treated with azospirillum 600 grams and phosphobacterium to enhance the availability of nitrogen and phosphorus. Seed rate and spacing. Seed rate direct sowing 5 kgs, transplanting 3.75 kgs per hectare. Spacing arid western plains of Rajasthan, Haryana, Kutch of Gujarat. Pearl millet should be planted in rows 60 centimeters. Apart from that, maintaining low plant population of 1 to 1.25 lakh per hectare. For the area receiving rainfall more than 450 mm, the crop should be kept at spacing 45 into 10 or 15 centimeters. Method of sowing. Three methods of pearl millet can be sown on flat bed, adjustment for a broad bed system. Nursery preparation is required 7.5 cents means 300 square meters for 1 hectare area. The land is plowed in such a way to bring fine tilth. Application of 750 kgs farmyard manure or compost is done and incorporated. Raised beds of 3 to 1.5 meters with 3 centimeters channel are formed. Small drills are not deeper than 1 centimeters of raised bed are opened. About 3.7 kgs of seeds is sown in 7.5 cents or 300 square meter. About zero point 0.5 kgs per cent and 500 kgs of FIM or compost is used to sprinkle for covering the seeds. Proper land shape should be done with the ridges and furrows 45 centimeters of water beds convenient size depending upon the water availability or farm. For the rain-fed crop, flat sowing is followed. Fora method is sowing better than the Kera method. Transplanting. Pulling out of seedlings are recommended when age seedlings is 15 to 18 days. A spacing of 45 into 15 centimeters for all varieties except CO7. Spacing is 35 into 15 centimeters. Direct sowing as transplanted crop. Spacing of 45 into 15 centimeters for all varieties except CO7. 35 into 15 centimeters row space is adopted. If pulse is intercropped, a spacing of 35 into 15 centimeters for comb, nothing but bajra, and 30 into 10 centimeters for cowpea, and other pulses is adopted. Fertilizer management in irrigated crop 80 40 40 NPK for the hybrids. Recommended dose of fertilizers for varieties 70 35 and 35 kgs per hectare is recommended for the bajra in irrigated crop. For the rain fed 40 20 40 20 and 0 is required for the rain fed bajra crop. 40 kgs nitrogen, 20 kgs P2O5 and 0 are eligible for K2O per hectare is recommended under rain fed crop fertilization management. If improper fertilization leads into the lower yields, so low nutrient content and erratic rainfall condition leads into the failure of crop. Yeah, nitrogen requirement, potassium requirement, micronutrients is necessary. Water management is also necessary. Normally, 5 irrigations are recommended for the stages: tillering, paniclinization stage, flag leaf stage, flowering, duff, and immediate after sowing. Moisture conservation is also crucial. Critical stages for watering is tillering and flowering. Flag leaf stage and budding stage we need to do. Weeds should be reduced up to 50%. Up to 35 days we need to reduce the weeds. Pre-emergent atrazine 5000 grams per hectare is needed for direct sowing, owing, weeding may be done. Atrazine should not be used for the intercropping system. Pre-emergent application atrazine pendimethalin. Post-emergent application 2,4-D should be applied. Intercultural application thinning, gap filling at the time of first of intercultural application, hand weeding and controlling of weeds through atrazine 0.5 kgs per hectare would be take care of most of the weeds. Cropping systems: bajra wheat, bajra barley, bajra gram, bajra pea, bajra potato. Through crop rotation is necessary. Bajra groundnut, bajra black gram, bajra green gram, bajra castor, bajra cowpea is the intercropping systems should be followed. Major insect pests are white grub shoot fly, grasshopper, termites, grey weevil, stem borers are the insects. Diseases are downy meadow rust, smut, ergot, blast. Yield attributes are total number of tillers per unit area, number of productive tillers per unit area, length of ear head, number of yielded grains per ear head. Test weight is the yield attributes. Harvesting and threshing at the time of when the leaves turns to yellow color, the seeds become harder, having 20% moisture. Harvesting is should be done and removing the ear heads and cutting down the plants later. The ear heads harvesting should be dried well in sun before threshing. The grains are separated either by sticks or tampling by the bullocks. If the mechanical thresher is available, then thresh with the mechanical thresher and clean the threshed grain and then go for the sun drying for moisture up to 12 to 14% for safe storage. Then long term storage of 6 months is necessary. Grain moisture should be less than 12%. Yield is 3 to 3.5 tons per hectare, and the stover yield is 10 tons per hectare. In irrigated conditions, bajra will come, and in rainfed condition, grain yield is 1.2 to 1.5 tons per hectare. Stover yield is 7 to 7.5 tons per hectare is recommended. Jai Hind. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel.